now that I have my image locked in the background, I'm going to select this character here that I'm going to trace. So I'm going to zoom in so I can see what I'm working with. Now I'm going to select the pen tool and I'm going to use that. Now with this pen tool, there's a couple of ways to use it. You can click and drag and then you get these arms, and these arms allow you to curve the lines. So it will go along like that. What you can see there is that it's looking at these lines as a shape that's trying to fill. So when I take it around, it fills it. So if you do a mistake, just Control Z and we'll take it all the way back. So I don't want to fill on my shape. I just want an outline. So I'm going to use these arrows here and flick it around. So now I'm doing just a line, not a fill. So then it won't try and fill in as I'm drawing the image. Now, this may not have scanned in straight, perfectly straight when you bring the lines in. So you're going to keep it straight though you're just going to click, release. You're not going to drag, but you will hold down the Shift key and then click on the next point. And hold down, keep the Shift key held down the whole time you're going around here, and just click and release. Don't click and drag or you'll get those arms on it. So if that happens, just Control Z to undo it. And it's really important to get these lines as straight as possible. And it's really easy if you hold down the Shift key. Holding down the Shift key aligns it along a vertical or a horizontal axis or a 45-degree angle. Now, if there's some lines that I don't have perfect, I can go back and move them later with the direct selection tool, which is the arrow that's white in the toolbox. So the selection tool will select the whole shape. The direct selection tool will just select parts of it. So with the direct selection tool, there were these two nodes here. So I'm going to click and drag, and when they turn a blue, that means they're selected. I'm going to hold down the Shift key so it will take it along the same line and just move it across like that. So things like that you can do. Now I don't need to use the pen tool for this. I can just get the rectangle tool and I can click and drag from one point to the other. So simple shapes like that, that's how you can treat that. And then I'll use the pen tool again for the mouth, holding down the Shift key as I go. Just click release all the way around. Really simple. And then we close it off. Okay, so that's the next step. So now you can save that.